Hi everyone, on the last video we drew this pattern on a dark background and colored it in. And I decided I wanted to draw it also on a light background and see the difference coloring it in with the same exact colors. So that's what we're going to do. Now I've got a sort of a light purple background. Is that the color I want? Light purple? Does that seem right? Ants. Gosh dang it, dang it. Gosh dingy dang it. I don't want ants. No ants. Should we do white? I almost never draw on white now. That's kind of yellow. Let's just do it on white. I never draw on white anymore. Let's see what a difference looks like on white. So we're going to do the same exact drawing. We're going to draw a leaf shape coming up like that, leaf shape coming up like this. I'm going to, from here, do that same leaf shape coming up like this and like this, and also like this and like this. I did it the same way last time. I have this one kind of coming off the edge. Then we're going to do that, and then kind of a tooth-like shape. This, and then it goes down in here and down to here, kind of like that. An arch, a toothy shape, this goes to there, and that goes that way. This one, a toothy shape. Is it easier to draw now that I've drawn it once? Absolutely. Something like that. Okay. I'm going to let that dry just a bit, because that particular pen, I noticed on the other one, tends to leave thicker ink spots, like where I pick up and drop off my pen. So these are the three colors I used on the leaf parts. I want to try it on the back, just to make sure that's still what I want to do. Yep, okay. This one, Goes in the middle of the leaf, coming up this way. I need to sharpen that again. Get down there into the crevasse. That, and then the next one. I need a piece of scrap paper so I can go off the edge here. Just like that. Okay, those are the greens. Let's do the yellows. And then the reds. I should put a little green there, dark green. Right there. So why am I doing this little experiment? I don't know. Just thought that this would be a good thing to learn. It's like, how do the colors look different on each different kind of paper? Does the whole thing just look like you've done something completely different, even though it's exactly the same? Just based on whether it's on dark or light, and it does. It absolutely makes a huge difference. See? That looks so different. I need to sharpen that again. And one more. I think I might put a little pencil shading around this flower on this one, just to kind of lift it off the background because it feels kind of flat still. But if I put a little pencil in the back behind this flower shape, I feel like it'll lift it off the page a bit. And I've got plenty of time because I knew what I was doing, so it drew fast. Look at how different that looks to that. Just having this color around the outside looks different. Believe that we're going to go down and visit my mom tomorrow because my son's home. When he's home, he likes to go visit Grandma and Grandpa when he can. He doesn't get to see them as often as he'd like. Okay. Yeah, let's do a little shading here. Just to lift these up off the background. I'm going to go around the edge of these flower shapes. because this sort of shadow behind will make it feel like these are sitting up off of this page. This particular pencil is a number 6B, so it's a fairly soft pencil. So it should spread really well. Make a nice soft shadow. Just like that. Just like that. Yeah, that's good. I like that. All right. So that is the one on light paper or white paper. Here it is on the dark. It looks so different. You almost can't see the metallic, even though it's the same exact colored pencils. Metallics look so much better on dark. I'm going to leave that off to the side for the thumbnail. All right. You guys have a blessed day. I'm going to put these pencils back here because that's what I had on the thumbnail on the other one. And yeah, they're the same colors. You guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time. And I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.